Welcome to the Trader's Toolbox series and your guide to mastering the tools that shape the market. Right now you're looking at a Thinkorswim layout filled with many powerful indicators and studies, each designed to give traders an edge. In each episode, we'll take a deep dive into one of these and many other game-changing tools and studies. We'll zoom in, strip away the noise, and show you exactly why so many pros use these tools, why it should matter to you, and how you can use them to make smarter trades. Let's begin your journey on your way to greater profits as we join the $1 Million Margin Club and their introduction to today's tool. The Range Target Risk Oscillator is designed to help traders quantify opportunity before taking a trade. By analyzing the last 9 candles, it measures the average distance price has moved upward and downward from the open, calculating realistic price targets based on actual market behavior, not hypothetical projections. Once a trader has decided their directional bias using other tools or setups, the oscillator offers a calculated target range showing how far the price typically moves in that direction. This is a data-backed expectation grounded in recent price movement. The tool displays this expectation in 2 simple labels, a green label showing the average potential upside, ideal bullish trades, and a red label showing the average downside, ideal for bearish trades. For traders focused on precision and discipline, these values help define exit targets and control risk by showing how far to reasonably expect a move to go. As we dig deeper into this game-changing indicator, we see a continuous ribbon of 9 candle range values, 2 dynamic target figures and real-time P&L labels lining up horizontally, offering an at-a-glance summary of recent swings, expected move thresholds, and current trade performance. Labels for each of the last 9 candles' high to low ranges are shown in green when the candle closed higher than it opened, and red when it closed lower, empowering traders who are using the indicator on intraday charts to spot rapid momentum shifts. The most recent candle's range value refreshes in real time as price unfolds, spotlighting emerging strength or weakness. The last 8 candle range labels act as a volatility barometer. Widening ranges suggest a developing trend, while narrowing ranges warn of a consolidation zone before the next move. A unique profit and loss target system uses the information from the last 9 candles. Rather than averaging only green or red candles, the bullish target takes every candle's high minus open range, and the bearish target every candle's open minus low range, capturing the true directional reach of each bar. This approach avoids the distortion of mixed or inconsistent closes, giving traders more reliable profit targets that reflect how far price has moved on average in each direction, regardless of how each candle finished. A dedicated profit and loss section displays both per share and total results side by side, giving traders immediate feedback on how each position is performing in real time. The per share figure isolates unit-level performance and becomes especially useful as price approaches the bullish or bearish target, letting traders gauge how much of the expected move has played out. Alongside it, the total P&L label reflects the full impact of price movement on your open trade, updating with each tick to keep risk exposure and reward potential in constant view. Around the candlesticks of the chart, green and red arrows appear, acting as buy and sell signals, green when bullish momentum breaches its threshold, red when bearish pressure does the same, guiding precise entries and exits. In the background, formulas compute each candle's range, average those into targets, and factor in position data to generate per share and total P and L, transforming raw candlestick data into clear, actionable metrics. The Range Target Risk Oscillator's live range readings, defined risk-reward thresholds, directional signals, and dynamic P&L tracking work together to empower rapid, confident trading decisions. This indicator, along with other great indicators, studies, tools and strategy books, are part of the Trader Toolbox series. No matter where you are in your journey, this series, along with their groundbreaking guidebooks designed by professional traders, has been created to help beginner and seasoned traders alike reach the next level of profitability and are available exclusively at the $1 Million Margin Club. Visit our website, level up your trading, and join the profitable traders at the $1 Million Margin Club.